Imagine a world that suddenly goes dark, and a little boy who decides not to give up, but to create light. On January 4th, 1809, in the quiet village of Couvray, France, a boy was born named Louis Braille. His home was filled with the smell of leather and the sound of his father's tools, Simon René, who made saddles and leather goods. Louis's childhood was full of play and laughter until one small, fateful accident changed everything. When he was just 3, Louis was playing in his father's workshop. He touched a sharp tool called a punch needle, used for making holes in leather. In an instant, it injured his eye. The infection spread, eventually affecting the other eye as well. By the age of 5, Louis was completely blind, and his world was forever without light. At first, the darkness felt like the end, but Louis's heart refused to surrender. His parents ensured that his blindness would not hold him back. Using handcrafted canes made by his father, he walked through the village streets, memorizing every twist, every sound along the way. His intelligence and curiosity amazed his teachers and even the local priests. They all saw that his mind was stronger than his limits. At 10, Louis earned a scholarship to the Royal Institute for Blind Youth in Paris, the first specialized school for the blind in the world. There, he faced a harsh reality. Blind students could only read books with raised letters, an incredibly slow process. Writing was nearly impossible, and learning was frustratingly difficult. Inspiration came from an unexpected source. Charles Barbier, a retired French army officer, had created a system of raised dots so soldiers could send silent messages at night. Louis realized that feeling small dots with his fingers could be faster than reading raised letters. But Barbier's system was still complex and hard to use. Night after night, in his small room, Louis worked with his hands on paper and his mind racing with ideas. He made mistakes, failed, and tried again. He had learned that limitations are not the end. They are sparks for creativity. By the age of 15, Louis had perfected his 6-dot system. Each cell could represent letters, numbers, and even musical notes. Braille was born, a language that changed the lives of blind people forever, giving them independence and the key to learning. But Louis' story did not end there. He became a teacher, a writer, and devoted his life to educating and empowering other blind people. He showed the world that even when life tells you you cannot, determination and creativity can open new paths. Louis Braille passed away at the age of 43 in Paris after a long struggle with tuberculosis, a disease that claimed many lives in his time. He never saw the full impact of his invention, but his legacy illuminated millions of lives. He proved that physical limitations are not the end of the journey. They are the beginning of great sparks. Even in total darkness, a bright mind and a determined heart can create a path of light and change generations.